Hi my dear children, welcome back to Marygiri online class. Today we are studying subtraction of like fractions. Okay, when we subtract a fraction from another fraction with the same denominator, subtract the numerators and the denominator remains the same. For like fraction, you know that the denominators are same. Therefore, in the answer also, the same denominator is there. You have to subtract the numerators only. With an example, we can study this. First one, 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Look here, the fractions are like because the denominators are same. That time what to do? Subtract the numerators and write on the same denominator. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 8. Okay. Next, second question for you. 10 by 11 minus 2 by 11. Here also the fractions are like fractions itself. So that what to do? Subtract the numerators. 10 minus 2 by 11. 10 minus 2 is what? 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 by 11. 9 by 10 minus 7 by 10. What to do? Subtract the numerators. 9 minus 7 by 10. 9 minus 7 is 2 by 10. Okay, next one for you. 13 by 21 minus 7 by 21. The fractions are like, we can subtract the numerators. 13 minus 7 by 21. 13 minus 7 is, yes, 6. 6 by 21. Okay, now I think all of you understood how to subtract a fraction from another fraction with the same denominator. Adding and subtracting fractions together. In one question itself, addition and subtraction is there. What we have to do? First, with an example, I will show this. 15 by 24 minus 21 by 24 plus 19 by 24. Here, one subtraction is there, one addition is there. Here, for this first fraction, there is no simple, means we have to add that. Without any simple, a fraction is given, means you have to add that. So that we have to add which fractions are 15 and 24, here 19 and 24. When you are getting a fraction with addition and subtraction together in like fractions, we should add the fraction with the plus sign. And from this we have to subtract the other fraction. Okay. Now look here. In this question we have to add 15 by 24 and 19 by 24. 15 by 24 plus 19 by 24. From this sum we have to subtract 21 by 24. Okay. Now you know that 15 by 24 and 19 by 24. What to do? 15 plus 19 by 24. Thus we have to subtract 21 by 24. Okay, now we can add 15 and 19. 15 plus 19. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Is equal to 34 by 24. Minus 21 by 24. You know the subtraction of like fractions. What to do? Subtract the numerators. How to subtract? 34 minus 21 by 24. From 34, we have to subtract 21. 3 minus 2 is 1. It is equal to 13 by 24. This is the answer. Okay. In second question, from the first fraction we have to subtract other two fractions. With a whole number I will show this. 4 minus 1 minus 2. In this type questions, here two numbers we have to subtract. So that first we have to add these two. Find its sum. Now the subtract. Find the sum of these minus symbols. 1 plus 2 is 3. Therefore, from sum 4 you have to subtract 3. Similarly, first what we have to do now? Find the sum of these two. What is the sum of these two? It's a total we have to subtract from 4 by 9. Okay, with another example I will show you. I have 5 seeds. I gave 2 sweets to Anshia and 1 sweet to Zevil. Total how many sweets I have given? 2 plus 1. This much sweets are not there with me. Then how many sweets are there with me now? Total 5 are there. From this I have given 2 sweets to Anshia and 1 sweet to Zevil. Means 3 sweets I have given to both of them. So that how many left with me? 2. How we are getting? From 5 you have to subtract 2 plus 1. Actually from me subtract 2. Again from me subtract 1. 2 sweets I have given to Anshia and 1 seed I have given to Zevil also. Total how many sweets I have given? 3. From 5 subtract this 3. So here also the same thing. First we are adding. It's a total we are subtracting from here. Okay. Therefore we can write this as 4 by 9 minus, find its sum. 1 by 9 plus 2 by 9. Find the sum of the fractions with the minus symbol. Actually, it's a sum we are again subtracting from 4 by 9. Is equal to 4 by 9 minus 3 by 9. 4 by 9 minus 3 by 9 is 1 by 9. Okay, dear children, the third question is 7 by 10 minus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 10. Here you know that you have to subtract 3 by 10 from 7 by 10, then add 1 by 10. Which calculation we have to do first? Yes, addition. Which fractions we should add? Yes, 7 by 10. I already told that a fraction without a symbol means it is considered as addition only. So that it is 7 by 10 plus 1 by 10. From this you have to subtract 3 by 10. What is 7 by 10 plus 1 by 10? That is 8 by 10 minus 3 by 10. What is 8 by 10 minus 3 by 10? It is equal to 5 by 10. Okay. Dear children, the fourth question is 2 3 by 9 minus 8 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Here one mixed fraction is there. You know that when you are getting mixed fraction, you can change this into improper. How? Do you remember? 2 3 by 9. What to do? Multiply the whole number with the denominator. After that add with the numerator. That is the new numerator. Denominator keep it as the same. There is no change. Okay. Now 2 into 9 plus 3. What is 2 9s are? 18. 18 plus 3? 21. 21 by 9. Okay. Now we have to write this as what? 21 by 9 minus 8 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Two fractions we have to subtract. What we have to do in this question? Yes, we should find its sum. It's a sum we should subtract from 21 by 9. So that how can we do it? 21 by 9 minus. We should add both this. 8 plus 2 by 9. Okay. By finding its sum, we are subtracting. Don't misunderstand that the term is actually minus while the teacher is adding. Actually, after adding these two terms, we are subtracting itself. Okay. Therefore, there is no change. Now, it is equal to 21 by 9 minus 10 by 9. Now, we can subtract it. 21 minus 10 by 9. What is 21 minus 10? 11 by 9. Which type of fraction is this? It is an improper fraction. Why? Numerator greater than denominator. We can write it as mixed fraction also. How? Divide its numerator by the denominator. 9 11. 1 time 9 is there. Subtract 2. How can we write it as a mixed fraction? Yes. Start from quotient 1. Numerator is the remainder. And denominator is same itself. 1 2 by 9 is the answer. Okay. Dear children, I think all of you are able to do the subtraction of fraction. And in a one question itself, when the addition and subtraction together comes, how to simplify also. All of you studied this. Practice with more questions. Okay. Thank you.